What's up, guys? I'm Nate with Wichita Homeworks, and we are on site again for one of our remodels. So I will take you in here just a second. We've got a laundry room and master bathroom remodel going on, and something pretty cool to show you. Pretty unique aspect to the project. So let's go on in. All right, so we've got Kyle working on something here.
How's it going, Nate?
Pretty good.
All right, so what we've got here, this is a laundry room that's kind of been completely redone. So we've got all new cabinets here and new countertops on both sides here. But we've got something really cool and interesting going in down here. This space under here, they have a German Shepherd dog, and they want a kind of a built-in kennel for him. So we're kind of building one on site here. So this is what's going to be the doors are going to look like. So there's going to be two style doors on this one. This one's actually going to go on this side here, and will actually hinge, so that way it can be opened all the way up like this to make it easier to clean. So we can just sweep it right out. So there's no lip here or anything. Makes it a lot easier to clean. And then on the inside here, right here, we'll actually have a sliding door, kind of a barn door style, but we'll actually hide the hardware.
Is that gonna have this mesh in
yes,
it as well?
Yes, it'll still have this same mesh there.
So you custom built the door.
Yep.
And sandwiched the wire mesh in the middle of. Looks like maple ceramic.
This is poplar, since it's actually this is going to all be painted to match the cabinets. So
cool. Poplar's got a nice tight grain, so it paints well without seeing that grain.
It's my favorite to use for painted. So, but that sliding door will be right here on the inside, so that way it'll slide this way. So that'll be the primary door that they use to let the dog in and out. We'll have a series of magnets on this side, so that way that'll act as a catch for the door when it's closed. So.
And what you guys did? We did pocket door hardware on the inside.
Yeah. Right? So this track right here is the same you would find on any pocket door. So we're just using that because it's a very low profile, so we can hide all that hardware behind our cabinet facing right here. So all you see is the
from the front.
wood.
You don't see anything. Awesome.
So.
Very cool. What do we got going on back in the bathroom?
Moving on this way, we've got kind of a whole bathroom refresh going on in here. So starting over on this side, there used to be a big kind of corner tub that was kind of awkward. They didn't really like to use it. It had columns in front of it, so it was just uncomfortable to get in and out. So got rid of all that, cleaned everything up, and there will be a new freestanding tub that's going to go there. Something a little more modern and updated. So new window went in right there, so that cleans that up as well. Lets a lot of natural light in. Cool. New tile on the floor, obviously, all throughout. And then these cabinets were already here, but we did a new quartz countertop. You can kind of see a little bit of it here. And then new shiplap, that's real popular these days. But new shiplap on the walls here. I do. I think it's fantastic.
It really is a nice accent, but
it is. So new shiplap there, and then coming this way. We can't step into the shower. You just laid the floor, but we kind of widened the shower here to allow for a new entryway, and then right here is going to be some glass put there, so that way that separates the wait area from the entrance, and we don't have to have a door. So that way it's just a nice clean walk in and walk out.
Nice.
So.
Very cool. And then you guys are going to do like a pencil tile around the...
Yeah, there'll be pencil tile around that, kind of give a nice big accent tile piece right in the middle of that wall. So
cool. And we were just talking about the flooring here, that floor tile. It's got to be a pain to lay, but it's going to look really cool once it's done.
Really good.
turn back around. All right, so there you have it. We've got a master bathroom remodel and laundry room remodel with that custom dog kennel. So we really like the challenges that come with some of the custom pieces that we do in these different projects. So we'd love to hear from you. If you got a project in mind, we'd be happy to come out and take a look at it and work with you to come up with something that'll work. So for all you Chiefs fans out there, let's go Chiefs, and have a good weekend.